we're going to do a 3-tier serving tray. This is a one that I've used during the years. Like if I have dinners or parties, I'll use this one. And I always needed another one. So today I decided to do my own. And I'm going to show y'all exactly how we're going to do this. So all you need 3 glass plates that I purchased from the dollar store. And I got 3 sizes. I got the dinner plate, and I got the salad tray size. Then I got the little coffee size one. Also, you're going to need your black paint, acrylic paint, gold glue, and also you need some gold paint, and 3 of your candles stands, and I bought 3 of them, and I think I'm just going to use 2, but I went on done 3. And you also need your Gorilla Epoxy glue, because this is going to hold your place down real good. Okay, so we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and pull a little bit on this, because you don't need much. Then I'm also going to go ahead and use my Gorilla glue, and that just has help to attach. I'll pull a little bit of that there. Okay. So this little brush that I have used it for a long time. And see how wide it is? It just helps me to make designs with it. It's going to start dabbing, and make sure your plate is real clean. We're just dabbing it, because we don't want to paint it. We just want to dab. Okay. Okay, so while we letting the other 2 dry, we're gonna go ahead and add another coat to this one here. Okay, so our gold have dried on this one. So we're gonna go ahead and paint it black. Just easy strokes. And we're gonna paint 1 coat, let it dry, and then we'll come back and paint the 2nd coat. Okay, I'm gonna set this one and let it dry. Then I'm gonna come back and do a 2nd coat. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry also. Then I'm gonna come back and put our 2nd coat. Then we're gonna put all this together. Alrighty then, I'll be back. So I'm outside, and I decided to give it a clearer top coat. And this is what I'm using, this right here. It's a Universal Clear Doable Top Coat. And it just give it a little shine. I'm just gonna put just a tab on it. And just giving it a little shine. And it just helps keep the paint. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. Okay, welcome back. Now we're gonna, I have let it dry, I have let the back dry and everything, so it's all dry and good. And I did put a top coat on it. And if you wanna put some Mod Pot on it, you can, that'll be fine too, but I just wanted to give it a little shine on it. And so we're gonna go ahead and start gluing our candlesticks to it. Go ahead and spread some of that on this right here. And it's supposed to take 30 minutes to dry, but I will let it dry longer than that. I put quite a bit on it too. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our hot, I'm gonna use my hot glue so it can go ahead and glue fast. I'm just gonna put just a tab of this on here because I do want to go ahead and glue fast. Okay. And make sure you're in the center of your plate. I think that's my center right there. And then just kind of hold it down for a little bit. Even when I finish with it, I'm probably gonna lay a book or something on top of it so it can just sit all day before I try to move it. But I am going to try to go ahead and decorate it a little bit so y'all can see how I have it decorated. Okay. Then I'm going to put some on top here. Okay. I'm going to use some of my hot glue so it can glue fast. It's just for the film. Okay. Gorilla Glue on, and then let's use this. Just putting a dab on it. And then I'm going to put a little glass on top of this. I was trying to find something else that I could use. So I think I'm just gonna put this little glass right here. And I think that is too cute. And that's gonna be our little topping. You can use the Gorilla Glue or you can use the E6000, either way. Okay. Put some more hot glue just so it can glue faster. And we're gonna put it right there in the center. Okay. And I'm gonna let this sit at least about a couple hours anyway. And let it sit. And then I'll be back to show y'all the final results of how beautiful it looks through the glass. The glass just looks so beautiful. See how much the detail, the black showing behind the gold. And with the little topping there, it just looks so pretty. So y'all, please try this. Okay, I have finished my tier flake setting. I think it turned out so pretty. And I went on and put a candle in the top glass that it just makes it even more beautiful. I think it's lovely. I enjoy doing this with you all, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.